Hi everyone. Chapter 1, Population Distribution, Growth, Density and Composition. In this chapter today we will discuss about the religious composition of India. As you know this thing, religion in India is characterized by a diversity of religious belief and practices. Even in the preamble of Indian Constitution, which says that India is a secular state, there is a separation of state and religion, such as religious instructions cannot be imparted at public schools and political parties cannot ask for the voting at the time of election in the name of religions. Indian subcontinent is the birthplace of four major religions of the world, that is Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism and Sikhism. Religion is one of the dominant force which affect the cultural and political life of majority of Indians. As we know this thing, the religion virtually permeates almost all the aspects of people's family and community life. That's why it is important for us to study about the religious composition in detail. The spatial distribution of religious communities in the country shows that there are certain states and districts having large numerical strength of one religion, while in same way other religions are negligible or the same religion which is having large numerical strength in one state in the same religion is very negligible in other state. According to 2011 census, Hindus constitute 79.8% of population of India who practices in Hinduism. 14.2% have believe in Islam, who are called Muslims. They constitute 14.2% population, and the total number of Muslims in India is 172.2 million million as compared to 966 million Hindus. In Christianity, there are 27.8 million Christians, which account for 2.3% of total population of the country. Sikhism, a total follower of Sikh religion is 20.8 million people, and its share 1.7% of total population. Buddhism are only 0.7%, Jains 0.4%. And apart from that, there are other people, other religious and persuasions who are accountable for around 1% of total population of the country. This include Zoroastrianism, Judaism, right? Each of these religions have several thousands of Indian adherents. India has the largest population of people adhering to Parsis and Iranis. Today, India is home to around 94%. Total Hindu in India is 94% of global Hindu. When you see the religious composition of a country, you will find that these Hindus are distributed as major group in many of the states where the Hindu population is ranges from 70 to 90%, and except the district states of along the Indo-Bangladesh border, Indo-Pak border, Jammu and Kashmir, state of Northeast, and in scattered areas of Deccan Plateau and Ganga Plain. Muslims, which constitute 14.2% of total population of the country, is the largest religious minority, which are concentrated more in Jammu and Kashmir, in certain districts of West Bengal, Kerala, in many districts of Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, Lakshadweep, and in Kashmir Valley and Lakshadweep, UTI. These Muslims forms the majority. Christian population is around 27.8 million, which are distributed mostly in rural areas of the country, especially in the tribal regions. The main concentration of Christians is along the western coast of Goa, Kerala, and also in hill states of Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, and Chota Nagpur plateau regions, as well in the hills of Manipur and Tripura. Sikhs mostly concentrated in Punjab, but relatively small in the small area of the country. And apart from Punjab, these are distributed in the surrounding districts of Haryana and Delhi. Buddhists and Jains are the smallest religious minority in India. They have their concentration only in the selected parts of the country. Jains have major concentration in the urban areas of Rajasthan, Gujarat and Maharashtra, while Buddhists are concentrated mostly in Maharashtra. And apart from these places, Buddhist majority are in Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Ladakh district of Jammu and Kashmir, Tripura and Lahaul Spiti in Himachal Pradesh. This is all about religious composition of India. Thank you.